Atlanta Gas Light is fueling forward, enriching the lives of those we serve so our communities can thrive and we can work together to create a sustainable future. Providing clean, safe, reliable, and affordable natural gas is one of the ways we do just that. Investing in our infrastructure is another. The Buford Highway Replacement Project is one part of that investment. The Buford Highway Replacement Project is key to our ability to continue to serve this high-density, high-growth corridor. Metro Atlanta and the state of Georgia overall continue to be ranked as top places to do business. Access to affordable energy plays a significant role in drawing those businesses to our state. The project will install new natural gas mains on Central Avenue in Doraville and along Buford Highway from Central Avenue to Old Norcross Road. The project will be constructed in phases. This project will strengthen the safety, reliability, and resiliency of our infrastructure. It also ensures our ability to provide customers with the natural gas service they depend upon during the coldest days of the year. To limit disruption to the community, a large portion of the work will occur at night. For the safety of the community and our crews, this work will include lane closures. Traffic control measures will also be in place. Businesses and property owners will be notified prior to work in the area. For more information on the Buford Highway Replacement Project, check out BufordHighwayReplacement.com. For project updates, follow us on Twitter at AGL_projects. If you have questions, contact us via our project hotline at 404-584-3131 or email us at BufordHighwayReplacement@southernco.com.